For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb, and here's another TED tip. This TED tip relates to assisted living communities. An assisted living community is a senior living community option that provides more services or assistance than an independent living community. Big difference between the two. A assisted living community, or AL is what they're known in the world of senior living, provides more personal care services like bathing and dressing and sometimes assistance with eating. They also provide medication management, 24-hour supervision if needed, medical alert products, meals, housekeeping. But there's a cost to that, and it's simply more expensive than an independent living community, or IL as it's known in the industry. Not every assisted living community offers the same level of care and possibly even the same quality of care. So how do you determine which is the best senior living option for you? Should you be in independent living? Should you be in assisted living? And then if you decide that it's assisted living, then how do you decide which one to go to? You can do it on your own, or you can go for tours and you can try to figure it out yourself, and there's nothing wrong with that. Or you can work with a local expert who knows each community. I always say the good, the bad, the ugly of each community, but they know the communities, which ones have people going into them, which ones have people that are leaving, and why are they leaving? So really this individual is your advocate, and it can also help you assess your needs to kind of help you feel for whether independent living is something that you can still deal with, or whether you should be really thinking about assisted living. And sometimes it comes down to budgets. You may want to go to an independent living community, but you need additional help. You might be a fall risk. You may have fallen many times, and you can say, well, I don't want to be in assisted living, and you can hire a caregiver. It starts to get very, very confusing. So sometimes the budget will dictate it. These local experts that are available are free of charge to you because they're ultimately paid by the community if they place you in one. And again, they know the good, the bad, and the ugly of each local community. So I think it's really a no-brainer in my mind to consider using, it's known as a transition coordinator, to help you find the right place. There's some reading material in the Senior Learning Institute library, so you can check out the website for that. You can also go to the website resource page to get a jump start on your search. The website is seniorlearninginstitute.com. That's seniorlearninginstitute.com. And as always at the Senior Learning Institute, we're happy to help you. Feel free to call us and we can point you in the right direction. And again, our services are free as well. So it really is free. So for the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you in any way that we can, point you in the right direction.